Meaning of hour.
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 Hour. An hour is a unit of time measurement that is equal to 60 minutes or 3,600 seconds. It is used to measure the duration or length of an event or activity. The word hour comes from the Latin word hora, which means hour or time. One important aspect of the hour is its use in determining the time of day, as the day is divided into 24 hours. In addition to being used for timekeeping, hours can also be used for calculating rates, such as hourly wages or hourly production rates in manufacturing.